Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download YouTube videos without YouTube Premium. Alright, let's begin. First, open the YouTube app and search for the channel or video you want to download. Open the video you want to save. Under the channel name, you will see a row of buttons. If you do not see the download button, swipe the buttons to the left and the download option will appear. Tap the download button and you will see two options: download without premium or download with premium. Selecting download without premium will let you choose lower or medium quality for the video. This option allows you to save the video directly to your device without having an active premium subscription. After choosing your preferred quality, tap the download button. The video will begin downloading immediately. You can check the progress by opening your download section in the YouTube app. Once it is complete, the video will be saved and available for offline viewing in your library. So that's basically how you can download YouTube videos without YouTube Premium. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.